Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Today it is our second day here at Phuket and we'll be going to Phi Phi Island today. So right now it's 8 a.m. and we're on our way to have our breakfast. So it's सबैजना गइसके and म मेरो ड्रोनहरु प्याक गर्दै थिए so एकछिन ढिला भयो. So I'll also be going now. Hopefully Phi Phi Island will be really awesome. It's my first time in Phi Phi Island. Like Bangkok पहिला आइसके तर Phi Phi Island like Phuket र the Krabi चाहिँ it's my first time. So yeah, let's go.
Every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
So Zoid, where are we going?
On my island. I have an island in front of there.
Yeah.
We're going over there, very hot.
Okay, so we are on our way to scuba dive.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. And I'm feeling very hot.
It's very hot.
Scuba, YouTube there.
Okay, time for scuba dive. I mean this one.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pen on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. And we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible.
Didi, enjoyed?
Yes, very much.
Attine.
Attine khatra.
Good way. So, where are we now? Okay, where are we?
We're inside the boat.
Under the boat?
Dinner, yeah.
Under
We
the
came for
boat.
Dinner.
Yeah?
Now we dinner.
Dinner. Lunch time. What? Not dinner, it's lunch.
You got pranks.
How?
You got some pranks.
어서 물티프랑 가러 왔는데
When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room. summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer.
Hey guys, so we are back from Phi Phi and Phi Phi बाट होटलमा गएर रेस्ट गरेर फ्रेसन अप भएर we came out and the होटल नजिकै एउटा सेन्ट्रल Is this mart?
Central Mall.
Central Mall कि mart? Mall हो नि हैन that one अघि हामी त्यहाँ नि गयो नि त So we went Central Mall ठ्याक्कै हाम्रो अगाडिको अनि we came हजुर मम्मी छ छौ we went Central Mall What did you buy?
2 MacBook Pro 2019. Touch bar and fingerprint.
Oh my god. That mall is really good and त्यहाँबाट हामी यसको ठ्याक्कै अपोजिट पट्टि आयौं which is के हो यो मलको नाम चाहिँ
Central को opposite mall.
Central को opposite को mall which is at Patong and then right now यतापट्टि चाहिँ सोहितले ल्यापटप किन्यो Mac को ल्यापटप किन्यो and then we are waiting for him उ चाहिँ होटलमा ल्यापटप राख्न गएको छ which is nearby हाम्रो होटल चाहिँ it's nearby अनि we are waiting for him and then we are ठ्याक्कै बर्गर किङ को अगाडि अनि अब यहाँनिर डिनर गर्न जानला हामीहरु चाहिँ excited
Yeah, we did scuba diving. It was fun.
Yeah, scuba diving was fun. Really fun. First experience ever. Awesome experience.
Never should miss that.
Exactly. म त next time पाएँ फेरि गर्ने
No money.
So what do you want to have? Burger.
Obviously.
Sunny, what do you want to have? Burger. Burger King and McDonald's. Both. What about you?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. But
Burger King गइसक्यो कि?
yeah, exactly. तर since we have vegetarians, McDonald's मा vegetarian पाउँदैन भनेर we will be going here.
राम्रो कुरा चाहिँ 24 hours खुला छ कि?
हैन यो ठाउँ नै it's 24 hours open जस्तै रहेछ
तर स्टोर्सहरु छैन.
स्टोर्स हैन यो रेस्टुरेन्टहरु रमाइलो गर्ने ठाउँहरु So Sohit and Soina they are on their way होला अब फर्किन लागिसक्यो होला we are still waiting I look exhausted है झन् म त 3 nights कि 4 nights भयो 3 घण्टा मात्रै सुतेको 3 घण्टादेखि 4 घण्टा अनि दिनभरि घुम्यो Sunny is feeling cold yeah ठीक है Sunny is feeling cold I'm feeling exhausted and you're
I want Starbucks.
you're feeling hungry
Not hungry, I just want Starbucks.
okay why is Sunny so cute
Because I'm cute.
are you cute or sweet
Cute.
not sweet both Hey guys, so we are back from dinner and Sohit ko halka fulka shopping and tomorrow we'll be leaving for Krabi Biane ferry ma. So we are packing our bag, luggage pack gardiyo hamro.
But I'm very happy with this hotel because shopping center is very near.
आफ्नो भाइको सपिङ गर्नु थियो त्यसैले मात्रै हो ब्याङ्कक पनि सपिङ गर्ने भाइ नो प्रब्लम हामीले अब कुरा क्लियर गर्न पर्दाखेरि वी ह्याड हामीले काठमाडौँमा भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अमारी रिजोर्ट भनेर या फुकेटमा अमारी रिजोर्ट भन्नेमा गरौँ भनेर फाइनल गरेको तर यहाँ आउँदाखेरि इट इज सम अदर रिजोर्ट एन्ड त्यही हो अमारी वाज खतरा अनलाइनमा हेऱ्यो भने चाहिँ इट्स रियली गुड अनि हामी त्यही भनेर एक्सपेक्टेसन त्यसमा आएको थियौँ एन्ड यहाँ आउँदा त्यो नपाउँदाखेरि एभ्री वान्स एक्सपेक्टेसन मिट नभएको कारण एभ्री वान फेल्ट स्याड ओके सो द्याट मच फर टुडे टुमोरो वी आर लिभिङ फर क्राबी अब लगेज प्याकर विल स्लिप सो बाई बाई गुड नाइट
Sayonara.
Thank you.